The passivation process of new equipment or installations in the pharmaceutical industry is frequently an oversight. After all, it's just a small cost and requires a short execution time compared with the total construction project. Additionally, the presence of evidence of corrosion or contamination related to the lack of passivation or an elementary passivation practice usually happens after some or many years of operating equipment and systems as per the standard operating procedures. This presentation will provide additional knowledge to the pharmaceutical industry's regulation, standards, and basic passivation and documentation practices. This information is useful for engineers, chemists, microbiologists, people working in engineering, maintenance, validation, critical systems, quality in the pharmaceutical industry, or regulatory and inspection agencies. Using a risk evaluation, my 7 years of experience, and FDA 483 observation reports, we will show you that perform the basic passivation jeopardize your company's reputation and represents liability. A common misunderstanding is that passivation that meets the standards equals a quality passivation. You will see many examples that help you to understand cleaning and passivation beyond the standards. You will learn about many analytical techniques to verify and measure the quality of passive layers. With more elements, you could create a more robust passivation and validation package.